Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I discussing about the analysis of singly reinforced section by using these 4 steps. Let's go to the example. In this problem given that a reinforced concrete beam 200 mm wide, 500 mm deep effective and reinforced with 3 number of bars 16 mm dia. B is 200 mm and 3 number of bars 16 mm dia and effective depth 500 mm. In this problem, effective depth directly given, not overall depth. And grade of concrete is M20, that is FCK is equal 20 Newton per mm square. And given mild steel reinforcement, that is Fi is equal to 50 Newton per mm square. In this problem, find the moment of resistance of a beam by using working stress method. Using these 4 steps to solve this problem. Step 1 is the calculate design constants. M is equal to 280 by 3 sigma CBC. Sigma CBC equal to 7 Newton per mm square. This value taken as per table number 21 of IS 456 2000 taken by using grade of concrete. Modular ratio M equal to 280 by 3 into 7. We get the 13.33 is the answer. Next design constant is the neutral axis depth factor. N is equal to M sigma CBC by M sigma CBC plus sigma ST equal to 13.33 into 7 by 13.33 into 7 plus 140. 140 is the sigma ST value. Sigma ST value taken from the IS 456 2000 table number 22 by using grade of steel. Now we get the answer is N equal to 0.39. It is taken as 0.4. Design constant is the lever arm factor J equal to 1 minus N by 3. N equals 0.4, 1 minus 0.4 by 3. We get the N equal to 0.867. Next step is the calculate the depth of actual neutral axis. By using this formula, calculate the actual neutral axis depth N suffix A. B into NA square by 2 equal to M into AST into D minus NA. B we know that, and NA we find out, and M we know that. Find the AST. In the question given that 3 number of 16 mm dia bars. Now area of reinforcement AST equal to 3 into pi by 4 into 16 square. We get the answer is 603.2 mm square. Effective depth we know that. Then 200 into NA square by 2 equal to 13.33 into 603.2 into 500 minus NA. Solving this, 100 NA square equal to 4.02 into 10 to the power of 6 minus 8040.7 NA. Take all terms to the left side and solving. We get the quadratic equation form. By solving this equation, we get the NA value, that is 164.3 mm. Next step is calculation of critical neutral axis depth. Step 3. Calculation of N suffix C. Then NC equal to capital N into D. N is the 0.4 and D is the 500 and NC equal to we get the 200 mm. Compared to NA and NC, NA less than the NC. This means the section is under reinforced section. Under reinforced section means the reinforcement provided in the beam less than the barren section. So we have to calculate the moment of resistance by using this formula. Step 4. Calculation of moment of resistance. Moment of resistance equal to sigma ST into AST into D minus NA by 3. Sigma ST is the 140. 140 into AST is the 603.2 and effective depth is the 500 minus actual neutral axis is the 164.3 by 3. We get the moment of resistance equal 37.6 into 10 to the power of 6 Newton mm. convert this into kilonewton meter, we get the answer is 37.6 kilonewton meters. Thank you for watching this video. For more interesting videos, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get more notifications.